to sanction.
Okay.
And procedure wise. I want to find out from Shatta Wale management and the Stonebwoy management say if you should move na board no were they invited?
Charterhouse for?
Yes. No, before arriving at the decision, no?
Yeah.
Were they giving a hearing?
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Okay.
Were they giving a hearing? And now I'm going to video. Then they will breach one fundamental principles of natural justice. Because they should have taken their time. That's not to be corrected. While investigating the area, you must invite Shatta Wale and then Stonebwoy to appear before a disciplinary committee. And then let them know, say, look, we are investigating, we are looking into a matter of this nature.
Okay.
Now, come and respond. Give us your response. Because the matter too is in court. Emma Shatta Wale come out to say, whatever happened is self-defense. Until which means that Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy had also something to say. When they giving a hearing, until which means that if those things did not happen, they can go to court and quash this sanction.
Wow.
Because it means that who take decision ever affect you on brand. Who take decision ever affect you on hard and who take decision that ever go on affect you. You did not give them a hearing. Until it's a board not transfer. No, I'm sure as a man for the candidate, no, I'm come to a conclusion. No, Master, that's number one. Number two, don't we think that we are stretching this thing too far? Say, Nipa Bako, there's a principles of law, criminal principles of law, say, one offense, they are punishing with double jeopardy, like, multiple. Yes, I did Bako, yeah, look, don't sanction it's more like it's a quasi sanction. Criminal quasi sanction means that also you are banding. That's how G when you're young. And you small. Now, they are also facing court trial on the same issue. And the same issue, no court no issue. And then what happens if the court issue no who say if the court clear them of all the alleged criminal wrongs, court what the evidence go on court to say, oh, yes, there's an issue of self-defense on Stonebwoy.
But just say court, a petition corona you fairly against them, but different from the Charterhouse,
No.
I think it has to do with causing public something.
No, I'm saying that it comes from the same act.
Same issue.
The same issue now on which now so the extraction.
And one
because police only
it depends on Bachadaro. You hear me say Emremuno. Say everyone say Ekobani sample say court case okay, I said no about to and then I shot an Stonebwoy with my
Mr. Sano, shot an Stonebwoy, because we found out say you're from.
As yet I say the news you're from.
Go.
Okay.
From. So and the decision no and to be stand.
You're from.
It won't be protested. Jesus Christ. When I'm rushing to court to see no sue we finish say about they say take a decision now. Give him a hearing. A fundamental principle in law say answer na obey be Ethiopia no so tube. Who watch Jesus when Yakubu Brown Adam if ko share God in the moon. Who watch here na mean if you believe that God is all knowing. Some instructions. But do you know? I'm sure say God. Oh, baby, Saddam say
no name.
We didn't know him, but he gave them the opportunity to be heard. And yes, it is very fundamental. Say you don't prejudge. Don't just say to you know. What they are concluding, you know. It say oh my yeah, and I'm sure my friend is here. He's so close. And this is Shatta Wale anyway. Management, you know, they can raise issue. Number two, to me, no sanction is too much. Because who didn't hear? The other issue on management, Stonebwoy will be raising the say, who shut out for? Yes, sir.
I didn't see.
No, if you were negligent, everyone is a criminal negligent, most of you are contributing negligent.
Yes.
Meaning, contributing negligent, they say, My name because most of the security measures to ye. And I'm more yes, you know. And see, it is for example, everybody says store boy. Some of the measures to ye. And I said, sorry. And to do it, and the most of much I am Yama breaching what is a security protocol. Amma Yaba Abba Mimi to control. You make messy. And the most of the most essential, you know, the much your most lapses. That's all your phones are not good. But my friend says, shut out behavior as if only your control. Yes. Oh, look, I'm using your platform to call on they also should be sanctioned. Yes. Shut out also. I say yes, you yet show my social from 1 year or 2 years. So more organizing it. Yes. And that I'm calling on the Ministry of Creative Industry. Yes. Look, I'm calling on the presidency to set up a presidency inquiry. Yes. Oh, so they set up inquiry into other things. No? Yes. Let's set up into what is it? Yes. Yes, set up. Yes. In the committee in class. Yes. No, BMP. Yes. Organize a small murder. Yes. What did you do? Minister of Creative Industry. Yes. Security agencies. Yes. Or BMP kind of story. What did I say? Now, so the popular sanctions. No. Oba say Charter House. Our incompetency will show. And also the security agencies, no, all their kuku because we didn't hear. Only say you were Ghana that recently, no, you have a threat. Sorry. Until every gathering, we are suspecting the security campus, no. Say we on top. And I think say maybe certain security say, you know, any tips like so and so do so invite the better now. We go shut up kakra. Russia the ever. That's the question. No, they were there. They were there. No, I'm saying that they were there. So information. And I shut down also the kind preemptive. Good. Okay. With a post say good. What happened in 2013 may happen in 2019. Good. What did you do? When you be out of it almost me responsible. And I shut house there. Omo didn't kesepa. Omo na chance. Omo there incompetency pa no. Esom because omo there. Omo trust na ye hwe na nyameni see you know. Odi say na mo twom ho abeyemo sanction authority. Yeah. Who dare you? It's almost omo need to me say even almost say the terms you know. Now, Mami Kramobani, I say both Maminyi, the former Stoneboy and Shatawale are hereby banned indefinitely from participating in nominations, selections, and performances at Vodafone Ghana Music Awards scheme. Their scheme. Yes. And they are saying we are banning you from participating. Okay. No. To me, Bia is subject to the Constitution. All of us, we are governed by the Constitution. Every institution is regulated. Every institution, to be classic again, and the Constitution, you don't act arbitrarily. Capriciously. Oh, sorry, we are governed by rule of law. Okay. One of the rules is managerial. Number 2 rule is say, trust in any big I said, I said, I'm organizing a deal. No, okay. Exactly. In the industry, they have the right to participate. If that right now, do it is we say, who be Emma too much. I said, who take them for too much. Okay. It to me, no, shut house, no. They even must find out, say, rules of engagement, no. Good. What are the sanctions? And they've gone against the rules of engagement. And the sanctions and unfortunately, I arrested this one. They have the Tuesday before the event. I'm friends Shatawale and in the group, no, just to tell them, warn them. Say, I didn't know. Is it on paper? Is it on paper? Okay. Take it. I'll find out that there are certain rules on it. You need those rules who committing to this, and these are the proper sanctions. Okay. My worry today is that for one offense, there are so many sanctions. Let me hear me say, go through what I say, and the emotional pains of go through. Try not to go through. Meaning, say if they are found guilty. the sentence, you know, will lead to them being ex-convict. Ex-convict means that once you are traveling, quite a problem. What they say, and you know, meaning the Bureau brand sponsorship.
Yes.
Why should you kill them? Are we?
Yes.
I say,
are you in support of what they did?
No, I'm not in support. I'm saying that is too much.
Okay.
But this is the only first, the very first.
What do you mean?
It's becoming too much.
Matidon, for Bishop Freedom this year, Mamma Budog was this year. You don't have some power. Council any no cannot. Budog, but also why he said that I
saw like 200% of what I want to say.
Wow.
Yeah, Sema, and I be Kansema. I say, you see, I drink kakra.
Okay.
Now, Charterhouse. I don't know, me who online say almost 1% creative minister, the tourism minister. Yes, special it's Nazi with stakeholders to try and solve this issue.
Yeah. No, it was the tourism minister who
suggested that.
Good. Suggested that.
So, if that's what she said, and now we are all underneath her office, no?
Yeah.
Why won't you wait on the sanctions? I mean, sure, be you.
Okay.
Nkorana ya the only Nkora.
Yeah.
First and foremost, who penina utifie no. Ukra wanye wade yi. What you say?
Yeah.
Anybody who was in that auditorium, yes, the auditorium nifa about 3,000 or whatever.
3,500.
3,500. Yes. It was overbooked. I know your fence. You confront now your fence.
Okay, when you're being now.
Your offense.
You're afraid.
Yes. Your offense. The people were standing.
Okay.
So you are putting people say stampede buses here. In front and Crawford befa.
Okay.
I'm not here to support Stoneball. I'm not here to support Shatter.
Okay.
Incidents now happen. Oh, we are no answer from say, oh, that lady a course no. Anya endo. And I'm also then mumbi so amonumasem. Yes, sir. Call police station, call report you. You should have been in court and check out the charges of Muridi.
Okay.
Or the narration control statement control. It's so sad.
Charterhouse.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I don't know if I'm allowed to go into the matter now because you started a trial. But
because of court.
Yes. It's so sad.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Now, sir, some way heated arguments. We are now a brawl. We are also a stage so. Oh yeah, no, I'm a one party opportunity. No, a bad stage. Now, all bad stage. No, let me hold brief for Charterhouse.
Okay.
Who named your Babeka into yes? If you saw a budget award, then a confrontation into one opportunity. No, on fanbe them. On fanbe sanke ni fans. Obe do hono. Naturally, na kuma also. You know, into Nebuefu no Okasa.
Yeah.
Akra no Okasa no. Mu stop une. You could have played music. You could have turned off your microphone. Mutina ona Akra no Kasa sana. Or incriminating or can nyoma bebre ana ena ye the cockot ebe dani asem. Me maka or radio station be so ene. Me can say me pamucho all stakeholders, all industry people. Say Ansheni ye, baby, asem no beko no embo bia inti yenim de Maya. We should march to Nana Akufo-Addo and beg him because Onupe he has the only power to step in
forces.
Yes, and step in and say, these are my kids, or I'm pardoning them. What you say, and especially when it comes to Abia, the Otri too. So long as one in Ibedila, enye mano. Now,
and you also froze, so one also call
and no bear misdemeanor.
That is according to you.
The bill, you see,
but that's not a charge.
Listen,
that's not a charge.
What is the charge?
On police for the court.
What is the charge?
There's I didn't see
so I'm saying, say, if you go into that now, it's no be explain mine. So if you say disturbing public peace, it's not a jail sentence. Won't to mean court. That's what I'm saying. But pulling firearm without license, this animal, I didn't do.
No, also corners will
whichever way. And then, all I'm trying to say is that both of them, we need them. What's the mechanism?
Okay.
Into who Babe sanction, it's all from first. No friend minister and our ministry, you contact them.
Okay.
Say minister and so China obey meeting. How do you say shut and stone in on Beba? For what? What is their
sanction?
Good. Now, who sanction on Mukrashe? How childish can you be? Say Omusamfa awards in Bro. It's so childish. Listen, what you can do.
So, just a massive program.
There be a person use the word because me train on yet. To opportunity make semi. Listen, you can only say in your book, say, on the day or on the night or on the set date, you don't recognize the awards they took home. And that's it. But plaque near Tony,
how's that possible?
No. Listen.
To say you don't recognize the plaque you gave them.
Yes. But it's the same thing. They say that the award is annulled. And they're asking them to be patrol. They're asking them to bring it back. What does that mean? It means that they don't recognize it. That they are stripping them of all their...
No, stripping them of growth, but it doesn't mean they don't recognize.
No, it means that. Stripping somebody of something means you don't recognize their position.
No, you are missing. You are missing.
If you strip somebody of the presidency or some particular position, it means you don't recognize their position. You've taken it from them.
Now, flag never be big at home.
They shrink out. Flag you can do $5. Oh, master, it is cheap. China, baby, I'm fresh at Tarako, non shell.
This one was not done in China, please.
So for me, it was so childish. So also got to that extent. What you are saying, these are stakeholders, these are huge brands. My boss, why can't be? These are not kid brands.
Yeah.
These are brands that contribute to you getting sponsorship money. These are huge brands. They are ambassadors to other brands. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying, they ruin. Charterhouse didn't ask them to go and do what they did. I'm saying that you work in partnership with them.
Okay.
So you need to give them that due respect.
Okay.
Say, oh, when you ever you.
All right.
Okay, until when you ever they go through all these things before. Then you speak to them, but you don't just wake up and do anything you want. Next time, listen, Charterhouse, on my yes, for 20 years. Me catch you say Daddy Lumba see her. And I'm actually this here, no one can say Charterhouse.
I didn't tell my day.
Good. They place people over people all the time.
Wow.
Yes, you see this.
Those beef, you know, you better my attribute to
I am telling you. This, you see, we live in a creative industry.
This is not fair.
Yeah, but what they did is fair.
This is not fair.
What they did is fair.
You are organizer of Bass Awards. It's also because I also who plays people over people.
Yes, I don't mind when you say that. No, did you see me? Did you see anybody fighting under my scheme?
It's not about fight. Oh, I want any They always fight. But you are saying that awards has placed people over people, and the reason why there's a risk. And I'm saying it's
yeah, exactly.
You
know, so I think that Charterhouse was not fair in whatever they did. Call the stakeholders. Because who award no yes, it's just common sense.
Okay, it's a platform you the movement so and then I can find out so
listen, okay, the movement in here I think it's a disturbance. That's what we'll look at it. Oh, I mean basically the condemn will be if I have to condemn, which I don't believe is the best of ways. Me condemn me.
I saw chair again.
Yes, no, I'm saying my dream my chair that. But if I'm taking a new position because say yes service accept
okay,
but say me condemn me and me cry na me condemn me, but in the eyes of the law cry ebia there need there be condemnation be in pani stone because of two no, but ubu be to me fu ubu be to me fu aye de obe but to twi sanyo mana na ababa be how plus shatter air court stage ni so no. Yet up until now, we will never know the intention.
I'm not saying you mood no.
Good. Good. Me bo say who fresh shatter. And I catch you say oh now mpese me ko down.
Also go down.
Me bo any kind yes.
Martin nana.
Who name the point akwa here.
Martin. Nana Martin.
But there's a statement to what he wanted to go and
thank you very much.
The statement is out there.
Good on. Yet no cano. Cause me you la na me mra so.
When that time bia go that say abra o right by edging award. That is causing disturbance.
Most of the songs and the artists of the year no o man body.
Yes, we say on the night, you know, Mr. Sifa Kainka said the two na modi, no, Baku koma the other one. So to be fair, let's not mention it. Okay. At press conference. So
and so much mambo.
Yes, on more because Omodi can't strip it what you want already. So there's no need adding on. And again, if they had added on, it's also going to bring out this rivalry thing. Oh yeah, we need say yes, yeah, we need say no. It's not Sadia Ba. Not Sadia Ba.
And so 20th edition I say.
And say it.
Okay.
Brah.
Yes,
no,
Brah. Tiadi Bulldog as some no cano.
Yeah.
It's serious, but what I say won't find side is serious.
Then talk about brief.
TSM. Say me ni abo me din say manager award. Okay. Me mountain stage, I'm walking towards the lecture to give my speech.
Yeah.
And then nipa me in the same category.
So ba.
Me na me kwaji award nipa di machi ye nyina ka bom ye 10.
Okay.
The one na say so oba be bom mama mo no. Ne call for 25. Pause the video and count them.
48.
All ba no so no.
48.
All ba no security for wo pia mo say. Na sebi nantwie ete prega na wo ba. It won hu se nantwie ate prega yi. Wo gina ho be proud.
So in this case one na nantwie no.
One na pre ni perfect kwam.
Shatter.
Me mo obi adi. One na pre ni perfect kwam. Until I make us the nature prega on transfer go down. Oh,
Mama, who let you out to Prigana?
Is it not scary? Everybody runs away. It is the nature so or bus stage. Everything was peaceful. That's okay. Say, oh, he was going to sleep. Oh, maybe I know. I mean, it doesn't add up. But
Tuesday, how do you take something I said lightly as an argument you're making?
Tuesday now, before the Saturday,
Yeah.
Charterhouse say, Omoni Shatter in the group. It lasted for 1 hour.
I didn't see.
Because Odika Koyenya won't send you Kumasi.
And why day?
But you say, yeah, programmer, the wow to an hour.
Yeah.
The no man unyano, and yet the whole thing, and the normal question it's a backstage,
Yeah.
Miss Dimina ya Papa Bodi, and no basa no me no. And there's a video crowd me wo. Omo Pierre George Kwe.
I don't know what they
are here. The bosses are here. Everything should be left to them to do as they want to. Exactly what they did. It's no more fair and no more say that act of indiscipline. No, we cannot condone with that here because this 20th anniversary year inviting for and T3 for. Now some move yes no man be said yeah. It be A B C D say anybody.
It's almost sensible.
They warned them 1 hour. Amoni somewhere anya meeting shatter phone kwa shatter nebusia kwa na uba ye no day na uba late no di kan we need to wameji uba late uba no what say decide say baby a wo pe na abetena enye baby o mudi ama o e ho na chatter weakness no wo me sit na ha wo so obi adi bubo ho wo si da bi wo de obetena ha nti o mo muti wo nyina ne yem pa wo mo na wo pa mo na akotena nti ho na also come police
one pa mo
o se shatter
me bo one pa
mo police for na
shatter onu no organize program now you are not even making it.
You're not getting it.
You're not making it.
Oba nipa di na chibe.
What are you saying?
No, there's
somebody who's handling the program.
No,
they have security.
The protocol person spoke on Peace FM this afternoon.
Okay.
I was saying, Mukachen say, one person better baby at the Matrano. You want to sit in the
and they allowed it.
I know say that cannot be arranged until some bad dress rehearsal and I'm about sound checker. Then we discuss it.
Good.
There was never a discussion.
Sound check.
You're not channel. You're not channel. Would you take it now? Ya trust say, Senya wuna bo dinsa kwaji award that chen one kwa anymore.
Chokwa manu.
Obi okra ticket biano. There are rules. There are rules of engagement. What buso? And the rules of engagement, so Obuso, you will sanction say the amount. The amount. Oh, see, yes, I'm throw. Yes, I make sure say rules of engagement now buso. No, we want to win that. Card the natural. We are aware. The amount 1 hour meeting. What are we talking about?
Well, Michael, and it's in the council. And I'm about to council. Yeah.
You see,
yeah.
We don't care by the way that they were put on notice before the interview. If you are going to sanction somebody, give an opportunity to be heard. And for example,
it's onimo.
What bitchy no over sanction no. My name by the say, look. So what I say, incident number. Okay, rules engagement. After that, she will be an asset. That's why now you.
Because now you are aware.
Good. So what about payment? Say yeah, investigative on this issue of say what misbehavior. Our rules. See rules. No. Okay, say okay. Now your behavior good. But if you don't do that, just because you think that you put a person on notice in it, no, there's no need for you to give him a fair hearing. You don't do that because at that stage, you see, they tell everyone somebody pakulu fair hearing say, hey, but the bar or to make it be out of your heart. Once the Ubekumo Bia, your money is so, and almost say, so court na your convict we are. You ever sentence you say, oh, we can. there are mitigating factors. Who to because I'm sorry, me patrol. Until I feel a soft thing.
Yeah, you know.
But when they are mom with that opportunity, where they will appear so that at least almost show remorse before the disciplinary committee to show remorse. Say, oh, we are sorry. They are happy, you know. Na bibi na be she never you. Yes, ebium. And to say that what to almost say that be a sanction initially now. We are margin. Now only had a court Supreme Court. Amount of committee contempt. No sanctions and Supreme Court judges remember. But because the lawyers came in yes, put and I mean people say the sanctions are becoming too many. Only them before. Just as we speak right now, Musica. So say hey, they are also there and I'm quite so. Oh yes, Musica says that we also sanction them. And then Bonnie Bang, what do you say? Court the DNA chong. Organize social the musical. And I mean, those who are responsible, those who did not take the necessary steps, and those who ought to have done what they ought. And to me, the problem is, Mr. Don't let's use this thing to kill these brands.
Okay.
Mr. Namu, get a pesa, papa. The Yapani say, Obi Asamna, never young Kumno, Shatabone and Storeboy. Uyi omo music industry no Atosin.
Other musicians were
these two people.
Say other musicians.
And the thing is indefinite. When they put up good behavior, it will be revoked.
It's going to affect the industry.
That's true. Okay.
And I said, court sanctions now, banner,
yeah.
I was expecting say, come on, Champo,
like a
okay, so now, money step on the step of meeting, ministry, no. Na shata biti na musica na mu nyama ya baako
all right
so much the way forward even in the sanction but as I say no first sanction about court sanction so musica so
but I think lawyer I think you are confusing the issue. Charterhouse is not the head of the industry of the music industry. So Odomunina Boma, that means that the heads of the industry are speaking, not the
no, I'm saying that consultation you consult them what they say no with the appropriate sanction. Oh, they say, but to me, no, sanctions no, you're too harsh. Too harsh.
It's a Kayenyo day.
Oh, Ebia say, Ebia, 1 year be ban be, say, Bia, next year, Monkamo. Oh, they say, and I want those to be a Jeff Musim. Oh, they say, now, show good behavior, the 20 something, but join.
But I think you also lost sight of the fact that Shatawale had faced this kind of ban before. And at this year, Kopacho. No more then you do it again.
Your sanction go for the two.
Unfortunately, Stombo has to be involved first. Good. I hope they know by Agriculture. But also Subano Kodale, you know, it calls for punishment.
You super funa de to memu. Super funa politicians. You sanction can you sanction. 50 that is so. That is somebody appointed. And if politicians are against the sika, and I saw for now, and I said the police for now, yes, I see again, yes, I see. So now, Chumujan, oh, yes, I say, as a man, we want to kill the people. Shatabone and Storeboy, they are only obi at this year. It is sanctions now too much. Oh, yes, if they were to politicians, by this time we are protecting each other. We have instances of politicians are almost digging the sika. 8 years,
yeah.
These people, because I'm a politician, they are not linked up into them. You sacrifice them.
Okay.
What do I say? Me want to shut the house for more incompetence. Look, I'm calling me
oh yeah.
For negligence.
Yes.
One calling the piano.
Yes.
The security was at risk.
Yes.
And to shut the house for your negligence.
People who say,
what are you talking about? What do I say? Who are duty to provide a safe and secure environment?
We are not even talking about that. Yeah,
that one we all agree.
The energy you are using to talk about the voice, use that same energy.
No, I agree to that.
First and foremost,
what I say when me baby club this who you would hear. That's the chance. What are you talking about?
Nana,
yes.
Before so Ubemuno, say Shatta the Bulldog. Before say Shatta was a member, now Shatta the letter about so noako in who film. Say this is the first time, right?
I think so. I think so.
Why have you done also?
Yes.
You see,
before I answer that, you can't say now, you can't all the three parties involved didn't do right. All the three parties, and it started with Charterhouse, because Charterhouse say assemble, no, they'll find a nice way to come in, take themselves out. But so we'll see. Let me just go by the analogy. Ola Maye. We'll see. Shatter say onu baby awo man no on tina ho. Meboa. Yes. No bet na baby ope. That's the first mistake.
Point also her say.
Good. That's the first mistake. It's ebia onu shatter no because dano. Charterhouse needs him. Gidi by force so wo ho no. No better performance no grace ade no na ho nyina nyefe no. They went against their own rules.
Okay.
Which is sad. So can I also sit here and say Stonebwoy conspired with them and brought the gun in? Can I say that? No, I cannot. Good. Me, I went through the gates. Nobody frisked me. There is nothing like a metal detector. Oh, take it near now. Nothing. No.
I'm frisking up.
No. And that's what again I'm saying. If I should tell you what I suffered, one of Stonebwoy guys said, I think one of the gates were a choky into a family.
Wow.
Yeah, so if I'm suing Charterhouse, how would they take it? Oh, it's your customer. They shouldn't sit there and behave as angels. And I believe, people like Ola, any other stakeholders, those are the things we should be talking about. Because Abia, Stonebwoy Bechichu, and your news, Abia will tribute that. Shatabeko stage, and your news. And your Charterhouse in Kwana, Debia, Omu se, Omu Nibibia Chobia. And they have caused this mess. They have allowed the mess to start from the day up until now. And I'm saying it here. That day I saw over 5, if I'm not exaggerating, over 5 or close to 10 boys with guns in there.
Wow.
Yes. Notable for both parties. And your management team, but boys are almost supporting both sides. I am telling you.
Wow.
So Charterhouse should shut up and sit there and keep quiet. They put everybody's life at risk. Now, yes. Stonebwoy back. All Casano. Jimmy Fobu or Okutetuanka, they know me. Today we would have been burying somebody.
Yes.
What is that? And those are the things we should be talking about, and not the lighter things. Not the lighter things. Charterhouse should take every blame they deserve. Because they want money from sponsors again next year.
Apart from when they did apart from this event, my previous one be lapses you buy.
There are a lot of lapses. There's 2-3 years ago. The program traveled to 4 a.m. My call shows it's overbooked. I don't know how they allow the people in there.
Okay.
Well, those are the things. Listen, and those are the things that cost a stampede in Kofobu because a number of air conditioners at CC Hall. Thank you. Then all of a sudden the whole place is hot. So if you see, look, there are a lot of boss can be. Listen, you don't even know when you go to the court. Who say who cry what's them now can now because they me court or dano, and they read the charges to them. Do you know their response? That 2 boys, not guilty.
Not guilty.
Yes. Yeah. Does it make sense to you?
No.
My lawyer will tell you.
No. I'm saying, does it? If you don't know law, does it make sense to you when somebody said he wasn't carrying a gun? Yeah. Hey, it doesn't make sense. But when we go into the matter, he will give you reasons why he carried BBR, and he'll be exonerated.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's Shantasuzi, Otionuna, Hanina, are you hot or sweaty? Until baby, you're turning into a person movie.
Just run them from our
whichever way. So I'm saying, you see, there are a lot of excuses. Yes, there are a lot of excuses one can give to get out of this mess.
Okay,
but the one who laid the carpet for the mess.
Okay.
The one who laid the carpet for the mess should be blamed the most.
Good dog, I agree with you on the Charterhouse.
Say 155%. Say that.
200.
Thank you.
Because look, see, you're dealing with these 2 guys we are.
Yeah.
Now the question is, why not organize the event? Then now obit me to a realm.
Okay.
Brass and can we show video now? I would have pointed out 3 guns.
Yes.
On
wow.
the stage.
Wow.
Yes. I'm telling you.
But was the police, right?
See.
Yeah.
No, police in New Cassiano Cranny there. He was the most confused person on that.
No, who do I?
Oh, who do I? Was offered to know. I say no.
Ola, who can be before? Who see me, bo? Who can be? Who see? There's this thing that came out on the ticket. Say nobody should
instructions.
Go on. Good. Go on the stage. Sign instructions in I can say. Or say, who barbe co stage? Stage security bedding. Best stop you.
Yeah.
Or stage security no more info.
Good.
At
the time of the emergence of Shatta and his people.
Yeah.
Security guys na anono. We say your first test never.
Yeah.
No more down what he shares to more so.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Let me tell you what.
Let me tell you another thing. Omushen was so now Shatta and who say lose guard now police for the bank now rush to go and barricade in front of Stonebwoy but leaving the people to still keep coming.
Good.
And then there were military guys I said they want to, again it's that sort of fisticuffs with the guys. And Shatta and Crow from Bakuniti were that in red or red. Or Peter's military guys go baby. No Ghana Kwako Jerry. Now to was sense form. I said, what is happening?
Thank you. And listen, look at the danger. Stonebwoy manager didn't who shame. That's not his job.
He was the only person.
That's not his job.
Tried to stop them once the police and the security were on stage. Award.
Listen, you see, Ghana,
now, there was a guy,
security, we don't even know what it is.
But there was a guy, Rasta hair, slim guy, with a bag, ash bag, passing it down. That was another gun. There was a guy, big guy, who whispered to Stonebwoy assume. So on his Shatta and go for ban. He had his gun here, holding it, waiting for action. Shatta Wale guy, they are all he has his own here, some say, and there were too many guns. So how did they get those guns in there?
Thank you. So you see Shatta House.
We said before on
that police station.
We said on that Saturday morning on Peace FM said, look, speed now, Moody see a day we know there will be problems. Yes. What was the rush for?
Exactly.
What was the rush for? You were doing this to a Tiffany probably 20,000.
Yeah.
This one take.
And they had different exits.
Go there.
Different exits.
Yes. Both sides.
Yeah. Government agencies bring and a share that
going
okay. These are the things you should be asking.
Listen, do you even know that 2 of their staff members collapsed here?
Of course. Because
there were
so many people who collapsed.
And nobody saying anything.
After you punishing these 2 people, I'm saying that the people who are supposed to take the maximum of the punishment is Shatta House. It's ABR. And I said you share event organizers. Most of them can be Shatta House and look, for you making people's life at risk, this is your ban.
Yes, that's all.
Looking at the information, it calls for presidential inquiry.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
The president might set up a committee.
Yeah.
Look at the information they are giving. So that
say hello to but we want to
it was a battlefield there.
Holistically, those people who are fought. You report to Mra. You take the steps.
Mate.
That's my call.
Me friend for Madam Masapapa. Nana, medase cancel. What's my name? Canana. What's my Bulldog? Mate. Right, I was for here. I didn't come on in the business. So, and you say, man, say, I did a bremo. Come up, Bulldog by Council Morris Ampa, so by now Raula Michael. So, but how many people say, and this of my name, the future Sydney, the bremo. I mean, I admire ever say, I say.